Hey guys, welcome to FP29 Breaks, and today I have two boxes of 2017-2018 CHL Hockey. So as you can see here, the price $24.92, and it says look for Alexis Lafreniere rookies. So I was kind of surprised to find these today. They're from 2017-18, so that's almost 3 years ago. So maybe Upper Deck is jumping on the Lafreniere hype and just reprinting and pumping out these boxes again. So these are 7 packs per box, 7 packs plus 1 bonus pack, so that's 8 packs per box, 10 cards per pack. And something that's different with these boxes than with the hobby boxes, the star rookie cards are 1 in 1.5 packs for hobby boxes, but for these blasters you get 1 star rookie card in every pack. So I get 8 star rookie cards in this box, 8 in this. So I have 16 star rookies to try and get that Lafreniere star rookie card. There are autos. The autos are 1 in 160. Yeah, 1 in 160. So you can pull autos, but those are 1 in 20 blaster boxes, and we'll see if we can beat the odds. So there are some other good rookies in here. Or ex-rookies, I should say, like Svechnikov, Nick Suzuki, DiPietro. So we'll see if we can pull some of those guys. And for a lot of these players, I don't really know how to pronounce a lot of their names. I'll try my best, but if not, I might just scan through the cards. Okay, so wow, these packs are pretty thick. It's nice that you get a lot more value out of these than some other boxes where, like for Upper Deck, you get like 5 cards per pack, where these are 10 cards per pack. Okay, so we'll start off with our first pack. Let's see who we get. Zach Gallant, Matthew Boucher, Noel Hoffmeyer, Sean Day, James Malm, Nicholas Baudin, star rookie of Gabriel Fortier. So that's our first star rookie. Robert Lynch, Jake Henderson, and Yaroslav Alexeyev. Next pack, Jordan Martell, Matteo Gennaro, Brett Howden, Glenn Godin, Cody McDonald, Mackenzie Antrial, and Cameron Hillis, star rookies. And we have a red star rookies parallel of Dawson Barteau. Cool. Dawson Barteau. Mark Rassel and Kevin Hancock. So those red parallels are, let's see, 1 in 8. So they're 1 per box. It's cool how we have some other inserts to chase after. Oliver Garneau, Sean Jones, Beck Malliston, John Tyler Fournier, Jeremy Helvik, goalie hits. Lane Zablocki, star rookies of Blake Murray. Alright, Raphael Harvey Pinkard, Logan DeNoble, and Ivan Chikovic. Alright, so now we know that the star rookie is about like 3 cards in. 3 cards from the back. So I guess we can do the play the last card game. Oh, and we have another red parallel, Brett Hayton. All right, Bradley Lalonde, Will Warm, cool name. Maxime Mizurin, Adam Surchin, Kale Clegg, Jason Robertson, Cole Keller, goalie hit, Matthew Boucher, and can we pull the Alexi? Nope. Nico Gross. All right. So I apologize if I'm butchering some of the names. Don't really watch a lot of CHL, but I might get back into it if they start showing them on like Netflix or something. Matthew Timms. Dylan Wells. He's a good prospect. Goalie hit. Just forgot to do this. All right. Jordy Stallard. Oops. Pavel Koltkin. Joseph Garefa. Taylor Radish. Pascal Laberge. Samuel Asselin. Jody Bellerive. And our star rookie is Igor Sokolov. Okay. Dmitry Sokolov. Oh, we got another red. Glenn Gaudin. Kevin Ball. Nicholas Welsh. Connor DeWar. Mason Shaw. Austin Keating. Jared Bethune. Wojtek Budik. And Milos Roman. Okay. 2 packs left. Anderson McDonald, Dawson Davidson, Pavel Gogolev, Anthony Salinitri, Marcus Phillips, Nick Chizowski, Jake McGrath, goalie hit, Stello Mattheos, Adam Chizo, and Liam Kindry, star rookie. All right, down to our last pack. Not expecting an auto, but we do have a pretty good chance of getting a Lafreniere, seeing that they're 1 per pack. Okay, Dmitry Zaitsev, Jack Flamin, Linus Nyman, Travis Barron, Bailey Webster, Peter Abandonado, Nolan Volkan, Ty Lewis, and Bowen Biram. And we got another red. Jarek McIsaac. Okay. So that was the first box. And we'll head to the second. All right, we got Michael DiPietro, goalie hit. It's a good prospect. Ty Fellhaber, Alan McShane, Jordan Ernst, Tanner Kaspic, Connor McHall, Jeffrey Durocher, goalie hit of Kyle Jesseman, and the star rookie is Nico Gross. And another red, Matteo Gennaro. All right, so we're getting a lot of reds. They're 1 in 8, but we've already pulled 4 of them. Okay, so I did see 2. Could one be an auto? Maybe. Matt Bradley, Dennis McKinnon, Sarah Noel, Ryan McGregor, Jet Woo, cool. I like this guy. Maxime Fortier, Noah Gregor, Brody Willems, goalie hit, and our first star rookie is Peyton Krebs. All right, and we do have another star rookie, and it's a rookie auto. Man, we killed the odds. 1 in 20 boxes. How about 1 in 2 boxes? Jan Drozik. Let's see his potential. 1999, so he's 21 years old. 21, not sure when he was drafted, but cool. He was first round, pick 41 in the CHL import draft. All right, left winger. Have to look him up. But that's a pretty good hit. When it's 1 in 160, I'll take that auto any day. Ryan Peckford, Jared Anderson Nolan, Stuart Skinner, goalie hit. Forgot to do the, ooh, we got a red. Nicholas Oulet. Now the Oulets haven't really had a good time with that last name. I remember Maxime Oulet, goalie drafted by, I believe it was Washington or Philly. Didn't do too well. There's another Oulet, didn't do too well. So hopefully the Oulet curse is broken. Matthew Grouchy, and he looks pretty grouchy there. Living up to his name. Pierre-Olivier Joseph. Maurizo Colella. And we have Ty Ronning. Star rookie of Isaac Johnson. And the red of Emil Oxenen. Star rookie red. Alright, cool. Alright. Justin McKinney. Riley Woods. Felix Bibo. Nick Suzuki. Nice. Morgan Frost. Arnaud Turanado. Boris Katchaduk. Hugo Roy. Adam Marsh. And our star rookie is Ben Badalamenti. Alright, got 4 more packs left to pull that Lafreniere. Okay, wow. Another red. Zachary Bothelier. Ivan Mongo. Braden Burke. Michael Rasmussen. Yuso Valimaki. Cliff Poo. Yes. Another one of my favorite guys. Unfortunately, he hasn't made it up to the NHL yet, and he's been traded twice. But cross my fingers he can get into an NHL game. Tyler Soy. Adam Thielander. Nicholas Camano. And Bowen Byram. Alright, down to my last 3. Riley Lamb, goalie hit. Cam Dedeen. Mark Grammet-Bauer, goalie hit. Jared McIsaac. Dartigayon Jolie. Jacob Paquette. Giorgio Estefan. Connor McBudaman. Brett McKenzie, and our star rookie is Gabriel Fortier again. Okay, 2 more packs left. Oh, we got another red. Jody Bellerive, Jared Legan, Johnny Cornell, Mika Sear, Cedric Pare, Vince Lociavo, Josh Mahura, Ian Scott. He's a Leaf prospect, and he could be a dark horse. Backup goalie. Another goalie hit, Logan Flodell. And our star rookie is Cameron Hillis again. Last pack. Last chance for Lafreniere. Can we get him? Renars Krastenberg, Jacob Friend. Be my friend. Drake Rimshaw, Mitchell Belmas, Jake Lishishin, William Bitten, Otto Sompe, David Noel, Anthony Popovich. And our star rookie is Blake Murray. Alright, so let's have a look at the star rookies we pulled. We got Murray, Hillis, Forte, Byram, Battlementi, Johnson, Jose Gatto, Peyton Krebs, Gross, Biram, Kindry, Roman, Sokolov, Gross again, Hillis again, Forte again. And our Reds, we got Belrive, Bouthillier, Emil Oxenen, star rookies, Gennaro, McIsaac, Godin. Alright, so not bad. Got that nice auto. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.